else thinks na ang pinakamahirap talagang i-perfect is Kapampangan food? Ang taas kasi ng bar ng mga Pinoy on what tastes good since we all have different version of our local dishes. Syempre, lalo na kung Kapampangan ka. You cannot easily fool their taste buds. Kaya when I heard that one of Clark's OG Kapampangan restaurants is back and refresh, I had to go. Welcome to Binulo. Binulo is located in Clark, Pampanga and along Main Road lang siya before the intersection going to Quest Hotel. Di na kami nagpaligoy-ligoy and we started of course with okoy. Golden and always perfect with suka. Then my forever favorite, pako salad. I swear, lumaki mga mata ko dito sa sarap. The dressing alone is enough reason for me to come back in Binulo. Next came is their kare-kare, one of Binulo's house specials. Ang sarap nito and honestly, baka may lumaban na sa #1 kare-kare sa puso ko. Then for seafood, we had binukadkad na hito with buro, mustasa, and ampalaya. I don't usually eat hito or even buro, pero dito napakain nila ako. I was amazed na walang lansa yung hito and walang overpowering na amoy yung buro. Perfect local samji ng mga Kapampangan. Definitely a must try. And the ultimate showstopper, Binulo na pangat na ulang. Yung sugpo, sobrang laki. Parang mini lobster na yung size niya. Yung sabaw, lasang natural, hindi maasim, maybe dahil sa lemongrass. Refreshing yung soup overall and the best I've had in a long time. Now, if you love My Lola Nor's in Mabalacat or Abe's Farm in Magalang, Binulo deserves your next food trip in Pampanga. Most especially if you have balikbayan family or friends and also your titas and titos na mahilig kumain sa masarap na Filipino or Kapampangan restaurant. Like, share, and follow for more best food and travel destinations. See you at Binulo in Clark, Pampanga.